TelX's success has been driven by our expansion in terms of our footprint. We've grown to 20 data centers in 13 markets. Our customer base has become much more diverse over the last 2 or 3 years. The amount of time we've spent with our customers, the integration of our company in terms of marketing, sales, product, all under one roof, and our ability as a company to change and dynamically adapt to the way the industry is turning about. We've also looked at whether a customer is expanding within our footprint, how we address international needs, how we look at folks who are coming in from various parts of the world who have different types of applications, who are in different verticals. So I think we've done a great job in terms of adapting to the international market, to the content market, to the IP market, whatever it might be. And as we dynamically shift, or the market dynamically shifts, we adapt to that change. So we've undertaken a large project, which is who is connected to who within our ecosystem, so that we can provide feedback to customers so that they can gradually interconnect with other service providers or other enterprise folks within the community. So I think we've taken on a much more of a solution-based examination of what our customers are providing and how we adapt to their needs. So as opposed to in the past, we just put customers in our facility. Today, we look more carefully. How do we help them? And basically, we want to service our customers as opposed to our customers servicing us. And I think that's really the main change that we've seen. We spend quite a bit of time in terms of analyzing customer requirements as opposed to just providing space, power, and cross connects. We look at the end customer. We look at who they're connecting to. We look at the myriad of folks that we potentially will be able to introduce our customers in. So we want to incubate projects rather than prohibit projects. So we spend a lot of time, first of all, just sitting with and understanding our customer needs. We want to be more involved with the customer as opposed to allowing them to experience what's in the TelX ecosystem. We make trips to see them, spend time with the technicians as opposed to just working with one group within the customer base. So we want to work with marketing and product, and we want to work with the technicians. We want to work with the operations folks. We also want to understand where they're going as a company. What type of applications are being passed over our network? So it's not just one point of interconnect in terms of how we look at our customers. I think we spend time at events. We travel the world going to see the myriad of folks that make up our amazing ecosystem. So we will attend telecom events, healthcare, various different verticals, financials, etc., to understand how and the differentiation of our customer base and how they change and what's happening, what these customers will eventually morph into. And as we get more familiarity, we're able to provide a better solution. So today, our customer base comes into us and looks for a specific type of service, which is space, power, and cross connects. And I shouldn't say today, it's changed. So I should say 2 or 3 years ago, we were looking at space, power, and cross connects. As we see more and more folks moving into our space, they're asking for enhanced services, which would mean some type of compute, some type of cloud services. Over the last 18 months, we've developed the Cloud Exchange, which has given us the ability to add in 100 plus cloud service providers, which allow us to provide more of a solution set or a solution sale to our customers, giving them the ability to use our compute or use our customers or our partners' compute service, giving them the ability to provide their end customer some type of add-on enhanced platform. So as we've changed and as we see more and more of the telecom providers are adding these services, our ecosystem was built around carrier density. So many of the carriers or the telecom providers have added this type of service to give their customers more flexibility and to give them a more robust offering. So TelX is in the middle of everything. We're in the middle of all of our customers transforming, providing different type of applications, technology shifts, etc. All critical applications, critical information is being passed through our facilities. So we continue to stay involved to see how technology is changing and how we can influence it. And our influence, whether we can give feedback as to the speed of the internet, whether we can give feedback as to applications that should be changed or augmented to ensure better flexibility or easier passage of critical data. So we will stay in the middle of it. We'll, however Google changes or O3B or Elon Musk, we will be right in the middle of it. We plan to be in the center where we give our customer base the ability to connect from point A to point B, and that's how we'll play in this role.